Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do arbitrage on Uniswap and make a huge amount of Ether with a little bit of input. So first you have to go to remix.ethereum.org, and you're gonna come to this page. I'm gonna put all the links down in the description, and also the link to the flash loan code down in the description. So it's gonna be an easy step-by-step video on how to do it. If you follow this step by step, you shouldn't have any problem. You're going to come to this page at first and go to File Explorer. And go to this little thing right here that says Create a new file. And we're going to name this flashloan.sol. I'm going to paste the flash loan code in there. And the link to this is going to be down in the description. Now you click on Compiler. And I am going to go over here. We can see the compiler's flashlight code, which the code is using is 0.5.0. So I'm going to change this to the same 0.5.0. And then I'm going to click on Compile. Okay, then I'm going to go down to Deploy and Run. And I'm going to change the environment to Inject Web 3. Now we'll click down on Contract. Here actually, sometimes you'll pick the wrong one, so you want to make sure you're on the right contract, which is the Uniswap Flash Loan contract. If not, then click on the drop down and pick the right one. And then over here, it's going to have a little thing, Deploy. First click the little arrow, and here for the token name, we're going to make up a token name. This is a dummy token that is actually going to be supplied to Uniswap. It's going to create one. And for the token symbol, I usually use 3 capital letters. Then the token name can be anything. I'm going to call it the Joe token. And the loan amount, we are going to go for 1,000 Ether. Also, this is important here. So go over here, and make sure the starting letters and the ending characters are that of your wallet, so we're locked on the right one. Now click on Transact, and we're going to deploy this contract on the Ethereum network. Now, whichever address you deploy this contract with has control over this contract. So this is your contract as you deploy it, and it'll always be your contract in the Ethereum network. So it's pending. I'm going to wait for that to deploy. Okay, the contract has been deployed, and now we're going to click this up, and you're going to come down here, and you can see your contract right here. Now click on the clipboard icon to copy value. That's your contract address. Now this part, you're going to send gas money to your contract to be able to run it. So our contract right now is set up to do a 1,000 Ether loan. So we're going to need about 0.1 Ether in gas. So we're going to send 0.1 Ether to our contract. Now that's pending. Okay, so the transaction has gone through. We've sent the gas money to the contract, and now we're going to go over to our contract down here. Can you see a little arrow thing here? Click it, and click on Action. Now, we're going to actually activate our contract and run it. So, click on Confirm, and watch this, after the contract actually confirms. And you'll know your contract actually ran through when this is not pending anymore, till it's actually completed. So wait until that runs through. Wow! It amazes me every time. I went from about 0.2 Ether, and I actually gained about 6 Ether doing that. From 0.2 to 6 Ether. Flash loans work. Everyone, this is amazing. I'm going to post all the code, and everything, down in the description. And if you follow this, step by step, I pretty much laid it out pretty simple for everyone. There's no reason you can't run a flash loan. Thank you for watching, and please rate me and subscribe for more cool videos.